Hey guys, my name is Ariel and I'm really excited to bring you this new makeup look featuring J. Manuel Beauty's new foundation. It's called the Hydroluminous Sheer Foundation. This foundation is literally so amazing and it feels so good on your skin. It's kind of like your skin but better, and you can build up the coverage because you can dress it up from daytime to nighttime. And this is pretty much my go-to look right here. I literally wear this all the time. A brown lip liner, nude lip gloss, glowy, dewy skin. This is going to be a full coverage and natural look, and like I said, it's one that I do all the time. So I'm really excited to bring you guys this makeup tutorial with this new foundation and show you how I achieved this look. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to start off with this J. Manuel Beauty primer. I'm obsessed with this bright orange color. My skin is combination, so I have different issues of dryness and oiliness. So a primer is going to help to balance all of that, to help your makeup stick and to protect your skin as well. And my favorite thing to do after I use a primer is to actually set it with some powder. So I'm going to use this Luxe Filter Loose Powder, and this is in the shade Deep Filter. So it's literally just a loose powder. I'm just going to pour a little bit of it out, like literally not a lot at all, and just tap it all over my face just to kind of soak up some of that oil and to really set my primer, set my skin before I use any foundation. And then I kind of let this sit in for like a minute or so. Okay, so now that my primer and the powder has set in and my skin is looking a little bit more balanced because it's so oily in these areas, we are going to get on to the star of the show. This J. Manuel Beauty Hydroluminous Sheer Foundation. I am so excited to tell you guys about this. It has hyaluronic acid, which kind of mimics the natural occurring properties in the skin, and it makes your skin really soft and smooth, youthful, and hydrated. And this foundation also has diamond dust in it for a really luminous finish. This foundation feels so good, and it already looks kind of lustrous on my skin just from looking at it in the mirror. And it's literally like the perfect color. One side, the other side. Like, does it look like I put anything on? Like, my skin just looks super natural right now. I'm going to use this bronzer. This is from the Filter Finish collection, and this is called Sex on the Beach. So I'm just going to dust this all over my face. Literally a bronzer, like a powder. Might sound crazy, but just try it for yourself. And I'm just going to literally buff that all over my skin. And I'm not using a lot of this at all. So next I'm going to use the J. Manuel Brow Pencil, and this one is in the color Blackest Brown. So I'm going to go ahead and comb through my brows with the spoolie side and then begin to fill them in with the opposite side. So I'm going to be using this Intense Color Eyeshadow Quad, and this one is in the style Ego. So this one has some gold and orange tone shades that will look really good on my skin tone. So I'm just going to stick with this one right here and then add a little bit of depth with this one right here. So the cool thing about J. Manuel Beauty's eyeshadow is that it has that ultra fine velvety powder that glides on smoothly, as you guys can see, and is also enhanced with silicone for even dispersion of the pigments without creasing. So it feels really smooth going on and it's not gonna crease. And next, since I wanted to keep this look pretty natural, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this mascara just to make my eyelashes pop just a little bit. So next I'm going to move on to under eye concealer, and this one is in the shade Airbrush Tan. So I'm obsessed with the tip of this. This helps with puffiness. It helps to fight any discoloration that you have as well under your eyes. So it's got aloe, vitamin E, collagen, and algae in it. And it pretty much just covers up any detectable flaws that you got. So this concealer is really amazing, like I said, and it just feels so good gliding onto your skin. I'm going to take this Filter Finish Collection Luxe Powder, and this is what I'm going to use to set it. It's kind of like a lighter brown color on my skin, and this one is in the color Deep Filter 1. So I'm just going to put that all over the places that I put my concealer. And next I'm going to take this contour and highlighter duo. On one side there is the highlighter, and on the other side it is this beautiful dark contour, which makes me very happy because sometimes it's hard to find contour colors for darker skin. So this one is perfect. So this one is in deep. So I'm just going to kind of put this all over my skin and then buff it in slowly, so it doesn't feel drying. It's really easy to blend out into my skin. And next I'm just gonna go in with the Luxe Filter Loose Powder just to make sure that everything on my face is completely set. So I just poured a little bit of it in the top, and I'm just going to literally just dip my brush in there, tap it off a little bit, and just kind of buff everything into my skin and make sure that everything is nice and blended before we move on to some highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm going to go ahead and use this 3D Illuminator, and this is in the shade Paparazzi, and this gold is absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to pat that onto the corners of my eyes, on my nose, just for a nice nose highlight. On my Cupid's bow area. This highlighter is so pretty. Next I'm going to add this Ultimate Lip Gloss in the shade Charisma right on top. And this is really nice because it has a moisturizing formula with aloe and diamond dust, just like the Hydroluminous foundation has diamond dust in it, so it makes your lips look super nice, shimmery, and youthful as well. So this is the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and thank you so much for being here and doing makeup with me today. I really love all the products used. This is literally like my go-to look. Like I mentioned earlier, the Hydroluminous foundation literally feels like your skin but better, and that's how everything feels. My skin doesn't feel heavy or weighed down at all. But like I said, thank you so much for being here with me today and watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe. And I hope that you guys feel beautiful inside and out today, because you are. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.